ni atongoria kuma miena itiganite ya bururi magiuka kugira certificates yao iria ni tigiti cia kiama kia UDA.
Na ningerete muno muthenya wa umuthi nigukorwo ndina certificate ya UDA kuria gukorwo ngirwira giti kia MCA thiini wa ward ya gwakwa.
Ndimukenu muno muthenya munene kuwa certificate ya UDA ya gukua kiama kiria kina iroto na wendi wa mundu na muikari wa Gatundu ya muhuro na muikari wa Kiambu na muikari wa Kenya generally.
Kioneki gia Kibaki gikuoneka through UDA.
Makiuga ni mebotorete gukang'ethanira na atongoria ma ciama ingi kithurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana aria mabeto tigiti ici mari na umireru ati angikorwo kia wamurani ni marabotanire ona kiria twerekeire no makabotana.
Kiama gitu ni kirahota ku understand ati Lamu kwina kabira nyingi cituraga kuu tondu tariu ithue turaga Lamu tumete mwena wa Mpeketoni na twina namba cia kuigana
aria tu mangikorwo mena gathina eri kana atatu nimegukorwo magiteithiririo.
Atumia aria marekorire kibitapitano-ini gia kurwirira ituru itiganite mugite uyu ni mweke wa mwanya mabeto ni kiama kia UDA makiuria atumia kuruagirira iturua cio tongoria riria magia mweke.
Muoroto uria ukoretwo wiho ni wa ku encourage atumia metikire as much as possible maumire mahuranire ite ici na nigetha magie na equal opportunity ya kurugama na kwariria maundu ma society.
Ekari yonthe ya Embu County ni tukwirutira kuruta wira bamwe mawira matiganite kuringana na roles cia women rep koguo mabetere na ku ground
na ndirahoya aikari makirenyaga mathie na mbere na kunyitirira getha on 9 August mwaka uyu turi githurano kinene gieko nduike wa kumatongoria na nduike wa kuiyukia giti kiu kia women representative.
Magikathiriria kiama kia UDA mugite no kio kiama kiria kiri na wendi wa gutongoria muingi utekubinyiririo na kubia andu ethi kanya utongoria-ini.
Already around norona the face of the next parliament is the young people.
Ona thirikari itu ya Hasra Nation ni thirikari riroraga mwananchi uria wi haria thi andu Nyandarua ni andu arimi uguo urimi wa Nyandarua ni ukurorwo muno thirikari neno turathondeka
undu ucio urari una waragania mwega na kiama giki ungirora nginya andu aria meguku nikio Hasla movement kwa andu othe marakeire
na kuona utongoria wa Nairobi ukoretwo kimererio mata ni ciama itiganite ari mararirukia bendera ya kiama giki mari na mwiboko ati ni makenyitira utongoria na gicunji kia 80 bari igana.
I think we have worthy competitors. Ultimately the people of Nairobi will decide. We already feel that we know where we're going.
We are the only ones who have actually gone to the people.
Ni mutaratara uliobete atongoria ya umireru ati mieri 3 yukite ni makaiyukia wathani. Thutha wa arwiriri ma ituro itiganite kwa mukira certificate ciao rungu wa kiama kia UDA iria ni cia wamurani riu kibarua kiria kimbere yao ni gukang'ethanira na atongoria angi kuma ciama ingi kithurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa kanana. Geribotera Inoro TV, The Hustler Center, County ya Nairobi, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Murithi.
Gatho nyingi muno Masi na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga augite ati agikahotana kiitaitero-ini gia giturwa gia president ni akaraniria na mavururi na honge iria Kenya ina mathire macio iguru ria uria mathire macio mangihorohio.
Raila arutete kiraniro giki agicokia ciuria gikaro-ini kia mwanya mucine wa Washington mwana bururi wa America.
We are not able to attract a lot of foreign direct investments into the African continent, particularly because of the cancer of corruption. And we have said that we are going to practice a policy of zero tolerance to corruption. We are introducing a social protection program for the very poor in our country. And they will be getting a cash transfer that will enable these families to be able to live some decent life.
Kenya is about maybe 70-80% of GDP in terms of revenue, but OECD average is 30%, right? What opportunities do you see to raise revenue?
Levels of taxation is a little bit too high, and the net is so small. And my view is that if you broaden the net and you lower the level, you will be able to collect more.
Our candidate is coming up with the issues that he wants to do for Kenyans.
We've been able to show the Americans that we have our candidate and is a candidate of choice for the Kenyans.
Na tugicokereria na mugeni witu wa Ndurumeni ni Governor Francis Kimemia uria wari munene wa aruti a wira wa muingi hindi ya Mwai Kibaki.
Niki mureka goya kamutiganiro ni uhiki wa mwana wakwa ni uhiki wa Prita.
Ngai wakwa ndaguthaitha ndeithia uria ngukorwo ngika nigetha hata gucokia ikano kia Prita.
Ni ndirahika.
Asha ndingitikira umuhikire ndingitikira uhikire Prithvi.
Safaricom Investment Cooperative rĩu nĩ macokete na Olpajeta Ridge na Nyuki 8th acre ũrenderio na bei ya thĩ na ya mwanya ya ciringi 299 tu na kwĩna malipo ya pole pole kwa buku gĩte hũra 0729121212.
This week's hot games on Shabiki.com. Play on your favorite teams at Shabiki.com for big winnings. Bet on your favorite team with 100 bob and stand a chance to win a smart TV. Kuwa Shabiki. Strictly not for persons under the age of 18. Betting can be addictive. Play responsibly. Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by the BCLB. License number 305. Shabiki.com.
Collect fare kwa boda au matatu ukitumia ViewPay cashless na uqualify for bima ya 100,000 shillings pamoja na medical cover ya 20k na permanent disability cover ya 100k kwa 5 bob pekee. Dial *236# today to start using ViewPay cashless.
Nĩ ihinda rĩngĩ rĩa kũhumba thũmbĩ nyũmba cia ũmemerekia iria itongoretie gũkũ Kenya thĩinĩ wa Communications Authority Kuza Broadcasting Awards. Gatũrũ nĩ mweri wa gatano mwaka ũyũ. Thimu ya mwaka ũyũ nĩ Raising the Standard of Excellence in Broadcasting. Royal Media Services nĩ ĩrakũria na gĩtĩo we mũthikĩrĩria na mwĩroreri witũ wĩkĩrie kura ceceni ĩrĩa gũkenagia ya Royal Media.